BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
Airplane. Ball. Mimi, what are you doing? I'm picking things to sell at the flea market. Flea market? You can get money by selling things. It will be fun. Come with me. Okay.
Hello, guys.
We brought so many things here. Great. It'll be so much fun.
Welcome to the flea market. Come and look around. Come and look around. Welcome to the flea market. It's a big sale. Sale, sale.
Welcome to the flea market. Come and look around. Come and look around. Welcome to the flea market. Look at this lovely doll. This is my doll. Don't sell it.
Welcome to the flea market. Come and look around. What do you want to buy?
1 coin for some yummy cookies.
Thank you. Have a nice day.